Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this really cute Grinch nail set. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing I did was go ahead and prep my nail tips. I pick out the sizes that the customer needs, and then I'm going ahead and putting them on my stand. I put them on my stand with some Gorilla Glue putty. That is a putty that I use with every nail set. It works super good, and the nails don't pop off, and also it doesn't get stuck to the back of the nail. And then I went ahead and buffed off all the nail tips with a mini buffer. And then after that was done, I dusted them off, made sure there was no extra dust on the nails. And then I'm going ahead and applying a base coat gel. You can apply a thicker base coat gel like a rubber base. Those ones have way more structure and will make your nails even stronger. Or you could do like a regular base coat. It doesn't really matter either way. The nails end up being super strong by the time I'm done with them. So I'm going ahead and just doing this. This is just like an extra preventative, I guess, to make sure they're a little stronger. I always do this with every single nail set no matter what. And if the nails are like an XL to extra long or like even triple extra long, I always do 2 to 3 coats of the base coat so that they're even stronger. And now I'm going to start on my nail set. So this is a freestyle set. I absolutely had no direction what I wanted. Like, I had no idea what direction I wanted to go in, and I am doing a Grinch, girly type of Grinch freestyle. So I'm going ahead and doing this color green. I think it's called Lucky Bamboo from Nail Reserve, and then I'm going in with this color called Baby Rose from Nail Reserve. These are two of my favorite colors during Christmas. The pink I use all year round, and then the green during Christmas time is always an essential for the Grinch. It's the perfect Grinch green. So I'm going ahead and doing that. The pink on the ring finger, and then the green on the pinky. And I'm also going to be doing the same green on the thumb, and then the light pink is going to be all 3 middle nails. So I knew I wanted to draw the Grinch front and center on the middle finger, and then I wanted to add some bling because this is a glam Grinch freestyle. So I'm going ahead and just doing that, and I am curing after every layer. Now I am going in with one of my favorite green Christmas colors. I go in with this color every Christmas. I always end up using it. It is so good. It's from Nailsbydev, and it is called Who Hash. I believe it's from a few Christmas collections ago, not a recent one, I don't think. It's really beautiful. Like, I really love it. So I'm going ahead in with this, and as you can see, it's just like a perfect glittery glam Grinch color. And then I'm going ahead, and I like to like layer it, because if you use it on your own, if you use it on its own, sorry, I can't talk, it could be a little sheer. So I like to always put a color underneath that I want it to look like. Like, for example, if you use a dark green underneath, the nail will look like a dark green glitter, if that makes sense. Like, it still shows the color underneath a little bit, which I love. I love when I can layer colors like that. And yeah, so now I'm going ahead and doing the same thing on the middle finger, where I'm just painting it pink. And then I am going to be starting to work on the design first. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do on the thumb just yet, but later I do end up painting it the glittery color again. Or I do end up going in with the glittery color. I absolutely loved making this set. I honestly just got like an itch to create nails, like finish up my Christmas sets, and I created this in the middle of the night. So it honestly turned out really cute. I love it. And I have so much content filmed, you guys. I have like probably like 6 Christmas nail sets or winter nail sets filmed. So I need to upload and get all those up for you guys, so you guys can have some inspo for the holidays. But yeah, I am just going ahead and doing the pinky now. So I'm going to do this really cute, kind of like, I don't know how to call it, but it's like a ribbon look. But it looks kind of cartoonish. So you guys will see what I mean by that. But I'm just doing 3 of these with the pink. So what's going to give it that kind of cartoony type of feel is this black outlining. Anytime you outline anything in black, I feel like it almost brings it to life in like a character type of way. So, or like a cartoony way. Yeah, cartoon. That's what I meant to say. So when I do the black lines, I'm going to be adding some extra ridges in the center, making it look like a cartoon ribbon type of nail. So, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I really don't, you guys. It's kind of like a candy cane ribbon type of vibe. I don't know, but I think it looks really cute and it really adds to the set. So I went ahead and just did that. And you can see here, just adding those lines makes it look more like a cartoony type of style. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other pinky as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw the Grinch. So I actually did a tutorial on him last year, but I like this one because it's a little more zoomed in so you could see a little bit more clear. I'm going ahead and doing the whole shape of everything that has to be green first. So the head and the part of the neck. It could be kind of messy. It doesn't really matter because you kind of almost want it to look like fur. So the ridges don't have to be, or like the edges, I guess, don't have to be so straight and perfect. They could be a little lumpy, a little bumpy. It does not matter. So I'm going ahead and just doing that, filling it all in. I did the head shape. And then I'm going ahead and doing the neck as well. And I do always leave myself a little bit of room on the bottom of the nails to be able to file them. I do file my nails at the end of every single set once it's all finished completely. So I'm doing the neck right here and then kind of just going like this and not really caring what it looks like at the very bottom because like I said, it's going to get filed. And I am just using the Nailsbydev 9mm brush for this and I'm just going ahead and filling it all in. So I kind of wanted to take up a majority of the nail. I am also going to be drawing him with the Santa hat. So this is just kind of color blocking, so you're going to do like all the main colors first and then cure them and then you can go in with the detail work after. So I'm going ahead and doing a bright yellow for the eyes and I'm doing the eyes very, very big, just like this. This is how the cartoon version of him looks. I love this version of the Grinch rather than drawing like the realistic one. I don't know why, I just love this one, but the Grinch is one of my favorite movies. It's such a good movie, so I love it. This Grinch that I'm drawing, I guess, is more of the storybook version rather than the cartoon version. It's like the storybook cartoon version, but not the like super modern one, like not the modern Grinch. So there's so many different versions, so many different ways that you can draw him. That's why it's fun. You can do whatever you want. I like doing it this way. I like making the eyes very big, just like this. And then I'm going ahead and outlining now. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Nailsbydev Baddest Black Liner Gel. It is the best liner gel I have ever used. You want to do the eyes kind of close together. Honestly, mine weren't supposed to be this close, but it's okay. It still looks good. You want to do some ridges right here underneath the eyes. And then also the nose is very tiny and kind of pointing upwards because he is like a Who character. And then I'm going ahead and doing just some fur marks and stuff around the whole face. And then doing the eyes as well and the mouth. So his mouth is actually very easy. You guys will see that in a second. But you can see here, I'm kind of just using the brush to kind of create strokes and like create like almost like a fur type of look on the edges of his silhouette of the face. So I'm going ahead and just kind of going like this. I don't really know how to explain it. Feathering it, I guess. Feathering the brush out. And it looks really cute like fur. And then I'm going to be doing the mouth. So the mouth has a really tiny little upside down V right in the center, and then you're going to go ahead and create a really big wide smile, almost like a really big grin, I guess. And then I'm just going ahead and doing it like this. So it's actually very easy. And then you want to curl the corners of the mouth inwards and like curl them in, and then it looks really cute like that. You can also add a few lashes on the Grinch as well. He does have lashes, so you can add that as well. I think I just forgot on this one, but then I'm going to go ahead and do some more fur marks right here on the neck. He is really coming together. And then his eyes are actually very easy. You're going to draw just a little U right here in more of the middle of the eyes, more in the inner corner of the eyes, not so much in the middle and not so much on top. You want to draw them really close together kind of, and they are just very thick little U's. And then right here doing the eyebrows. And yeah, it's really, really cute. He already looks really good. And then I'm going to be outlining the top part of the hat. And yeah, honestly, I forgot to add the red part of the hat, but it's okay. I add it afterwards. And adding more lines like this. This is kind of what I did on the pinky. It makes it look more like a cartoon type of vibe. And then once this is all done and I have everything the way I want it, I do go ahead and cure it. So this red right here is called To Die For from Nailsbydev. It is one of my favorite reds ever. I have 2 to 3 bottles of this and I want to get more just in case I ever need it. It is such a good red for Valentine's Day, for Christmas, for Halloween, like so many. I use this so many times throughout the entire year. So I'm going ahead and doing this glittery red as the hat top of the hat, and I'm going ahead and just doing this, and then I'm gonna try to kind of bring it to the sides, but because I drew him so front and center, I don't really have a lot of room to be able to fit the hat, but I'm trying my best, and I felt like it still worked. I did make the hat kind of long as well, going down right here so you could kind of see it. And yeah, so I am just going ahead and doing that. It is more like a jelly red, but it's okay because I already have the background drawn in. It doesn't look so clear, so it's on top of the pink, so it kind of works. Now for the pointer finger, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I was almost about to draw like a Whoville sign, but I don't know. I felt like I wanted to somehow tie in like a girly type of aspect. I don't know. So I went in with these really cute warm lights. I was going to go in with colorful lights, but I felt like it didn't go with the vibe that I was trying to go for. So I went ahead and did these warm white lights, also kind of yellowish. So I'm just doing a quick little light twisty type of pattern. I don't know. I did two little twisties there, and then this is going to be the Christmas lights. So I'm going ahead and curing that once I like the way it looks, and then I'm going in with a light yellow color. This is just some white with a little bit of warm yellow mixed in. I'm doing the Christmas lights right here, so I'm going ahead and just putting them in random places wherever I think they could go, and then I'm going to be adding some detail to that. So I'm going to add a little bit of yellow with a little bit of base coat gel, so it's very sheer. And I'm going to be making this into like a glow type of color. So you can see I'm going around the actual bulb, quote unquote bulb of the lights. This is going to give it that glow effect, make it look like it's glowing, like it's actually on, almost like a neon effect. It did work kind of good. I actually liked the way it looked, so I went ahead and did that. And then I am going ahead and outlining the little lights afterwards with a very, very, very thin amount of black gel polish on my brush. I don't want the lights to be so thick, so I just went in with a very light hand. You can see here I tried to go in with a gray first and it just did not look right. Later I end up going in with the black. To add a little bit more on the glam aspect, after it was already done and top coated, I did decide to go in with a little bit of rhinestones here on each light to make it look like it's sparkling. I feel like in a low light setting, this will look so pretty, like if you go out to dinner or something. So I really wanted to add this, and I did put those on with some glue that I got from Amazon. So I'm going ahead and top coating the Grinch now. He's all done. He looks so cute, honestly. I am using the Nailsblingedsupply top coat. I've been loving it. It has no bubbles or anything, so it works really great for characters. It does not like dull my characters down. I actually really like it. It really reminds me of the Nailsbydev top coat, so I've been loving that one. And yeah, I'm top coating the pinky as well, making sure to clean up the sides. And then this is the glue I'm using. It is a ethylmylacrylate or something. I forgot the name of it, but I got it on Amazon. This is the thicker version. I also have the medium viscosity version. I talked about this in a past video, but the thick viscosity version is absolutely perfect. It like is identical to the Zuley's Bling adhesive, and I think it's a little bit cheaper because you get more product, and it comes with the little tube that is very easy to apply. So if you guys are looking for a nail glue that is pretty good, like the Zuley's Bling adhesive, it is made out of the exact same ingredients, but I get it on Amazon. So I'll put that in my description box for you. And yeah, so I'm going ahead and applying some stones now, some red, some pink, and I'm just going ahead and creating just a random little design because this is a glam Grinch set. So yeah, I'm just doing that. Honestly, I wanted to do pink stones, but the pink I have is more of like a magenta bright pink kind of, and I just felt like it was gonna like kill the vibe. I don't know. I felt like it wasn't gonna go. So I really wanted to tie in the red glitter from the Christmas hat, so I decided to do red rhinestones with just a few pink ones. The pink ones I am using look almost like the Crystal AB, like the silver kind, but they are a very light pink. So I felt like it went very well. now I'm going ahead and I'm going to be putting the thumb color on. So I'm just going ahead and doing the actual green and then the green glitter, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But I absolutely love how the nails turned out. I decided to do like a simple little snowflake design on the thumb here, and I'm just going ahead and doing the snowflake method with the dotting tool, and then some pink gel polish, the same one I used on the other 3 nails, because I wanted this to have some type of element of green and pink so that I can match the green and pink on the pinky. So I decided to do snowflakes because I was trying to think of what else I could do that wouldn't clash with the set, and I felt like this was a good idea. So I went ahead and did this. And then yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, but I do still top coat and clean off my stones and stuff, so you'll see that in a second. So now I'm going ahead and top coating this nail and then curing that. And once everything is all done and cured, I do always go in and add some, or no, not go in and add anything, but I'm going ahead and cleaning my crystals. So I always clean my crystals with a little bit of acetone just because extra glue can get all over the top of them. It's inedible. Sometimes it could happen. Also the wax from like the actual wax pencil. So I'm cleaning that off, and you can see they turned out so shiny and sparkly. Sorry, you guys, my cat is crying in the background. But after that, I also decided to add some thick top coat on top of the little crystals from the Christmas lights, just because I wanted it to give almost like a clear 3D effect, like if it was an actual little Christmas light. And then I also decided to go in with some snow or icicles on the top of the Grinch's head here, because I felt like it was a little too simple or plain, and it honestly really added to it. I love it. So this is how the final set turned out. I really hope you guys liked it. As you can see, on the other hand, I decided to do the Grinch frowning instead of smiling. Turned out super cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned because I have way more coming, especially some cute winter nail sets and shorter nail sets as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!